Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel English Tube. In this video, we are going to write 10 lines on the king of the jungle, that is lion. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. First line is, lion is the king of the forest. Second line is, it is the most ferocious animal in the world. Third line is, it has a strong body. Next line is, it has a sharp teeth and strong claws. Fifth line is, it is the best hunter in the forest. Next line is, it roars very loudly. Seventh line is, it is becoming rarer. Eighth line is, it is being driven out of its habitat by hunters and poachers. Ninth line is, we should try our best to stop their smuggling. Last line is, it is the pride of the jungle and should be saved.